For today's lesson, we're going to try to build on what we did yesterday and take it just a little bit further. We have a really short story. You can see exactly how short it is. It's only 5 paragraphs long. And you have a copy of this on the link for today's lesson. I'm going to read it with you, and I want you to notice where the basic parts of plot are. Like, where is setting? Where is something that's the conflict? Where do you think the climax, the resolution are? That kind of thing. So it doesn't have a title right now, and we'll think of what a good title will be at the end of the piece, because titles are important. They tell us what to focus on or what to expect as readers. Let's go ahead and read the story together. "Welcome," shouted the announcer. "It's the 3rd annual Great Top Mountain Race, the big hiking race between 2 groups from our community. Each group has to hike up this mountain from different starting points on opposite sides of the mountain base." Everyone watched as Panther Group won the coin toss and picked the eastern glen as its starting point. Tiger Group was assigned the other point along the western base. Rain on the morning of the race complicated the trip for many hikers because they were forced to haul more gear. "The first group to reach the summit will be the winner," said the announcer. "Every member from a group is required to be present at the finish line to declare victory. Incomplete groups will be disqualified." After several hours, both groups had covered miles of the uphill climb. Then Dave from the Panther Group slipped on a boulder and injured his leg. Rather than quit, Panther Group built a stretcher made of backpacks and clothing. Later, the entire Tiger Group collapsed at the summit. "We've done it," they declared. Only a half hour after that, Panther Group arrived, hauling Dave over the finish line. They didn't care that they had lost. They were just proud of their teamwork. Take some time to answer the questions that are on the second page of this document. And then think of a title that you think would fit. I would like you to make sure that you make a copy of this document and put a title up at the top.